So imagine having an online business that, one, is fully automated, so is out there working for you 24/7. This is how you can follow a 2-hour workday and learn the skills to make daily pay. Here's how it's possible. Because you promote products that are in high demand, I will show you how to promote done for you digital products where you make 100% profit. I get it. You're asking right now, well, how does a company make money? Because they set up our website for us, which is a super low investment, $39 or $59, depends on the digital product that you purchase. This, my friends, saves you tech and time because you don't got to go build no funnels, create no websites, work on messaging. You literally get a pre-built funnel. Like today, in 24 hours to 48 hours from right now, you could have a full functioning automated business ready to go for you. Nope, you don't need no following, and you do not need to understand tech. What you need is to be coachable, be consistent, and follow this blueprint 2 hours a day. If you're willing to do that, you, my friends, will learn the skills to have days just like this.